Hi, this is Janelle Penny, Editor-in-Chief of Buildings, and I'm here with Billy Peele, who is the Marketing Manager for Mockett, and we're here talking about WM40, the underdesk cable tray that they entered in our Product Innovations Awards this year. Billy, what can you tell me about it?
So our WM40 wired underdesk cable tray flips up, so it mounts to the underside of your desk, and then you can actually drop it down so you can access your cabling, dump it in there, store it, run it underneath the table, and then you snap it back into place. And the great thing about this is it's such a large capacity tray. You can coil up excess cabling, just leave it in there. You can run multiple cables. It's great for shared work desks, conference tables, any kind of workstation where you have heavy duty cabling going on, like AV, AV rooms, things like that. So what you can do is run it through the slot here on the side, and you can actually add modular extension pieces, so you can run up to 6 feet or however long you need it. And they're easy to install. They're available in stock on the website, www.mockett.com. And thank you, Buildings Magazine, for the opportunity.